Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning new topics like CSS Outline, CSS Text, CSS Font properties. So let's start. An outline is similar to a CSS border. It can be considered as a border for a border. An outline property values and properties are all same as CSS border. Example: outline, 2px solid red. There is one more property called outline offset which adds space between outline and border. Example: outline offset, 10px. Let's see a quick demonstration of how it works. Now let's look at some text and font properties of CSS. There are a variety of properties in CSS to style text in the browser. If you want to learn all the CSS properties associated with text and fonts, you may use ChatGPT to learn all the font and text properties of CSS. Practice all these font properties to master them. Do not sit and learn all these properties, as you will master them with repetitive practice. I would request you all to please comment your suggestions for further improvements in the tutorial. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.